Meaning of equalizer.
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 Equalizer. An equalizer is a device used in audio processing to adjust the balance between different frequencies. It works by attenuating or boosting specific frequency ranges, allowing for finer control over the tonal balance of audio playback. Equalizers can be used to compensate for room acoustics, enhance specific instruments or vocals, or achieve a desired sound signature. Proper use of an equalizer can result in a more balanced and accurate audio experience, with a fuller and more natural sound that better represents the original recording.